Welcome back, future medicos. I want to share a very happy news for candidates from the Middle East, particularly those located in Dubai. Now, NTA has added Dubai as one of the exam centers for NEET UG 2021, and the official news is available on NTA website. So let's go through the notification and see what exactly they have given the information. So you can see here, the public notice is dated 22nd July 2021. In order to facilitate the Indian students based in the Middle East countries to appear the NEET UG 2021, it has been decided to add Dubai as an exam city in addition to Kuwait city. So already Kuwait is given as a center in the NEET application. Now Dubai is going to be added as the second city from the Middle East for candidates to appear in NEET UG 2021. Now, when this option will be available? This option will be available from tomorrow, that is 23rd July, 5 p.m. So in case if you have not submitted your application yet, now you can fill your application and you can choose Dubai as a city for your exam. So for Middle East people, when you are applying now, in case if you have not applied, if you have not selected your exam city, you can select either Kuwait or Dubai as your choice. Whereas in case if you have already applied, some of you might have already applied thinking that there is no city in the Middle East except Kuwait. Probably you wanted to come to India and take the exam. Now you have an option. So don't need to worry in case if you have submitted the application. They are giving time during the correction period. That is, correction window will be open from 8th to 12th August. So during this period, you can log into your dashboard and then you can go and change the choice of city. So in case if you want to change your city to Dubai now, you can wait and change it during the correction window. The only thing you need to take note, because when you take the exam overseas, the application fee, I think, is 7,500 rupees. So in case previously, if you have selected one of the Indian centers as your exam city, then the difference you need to pay when you are making the correction. That means in case if you have applied as a general candidate and you have chosen a city, say Bangalore as your exam city, but now you want to switch to Dubai, then the difference in fees, that is from 1,500 to 7,500, the difference of 6,000 rupees you need to pay during the correction period, and then you can change the exam city. So this should be the procedure. The exact procedure, of course, will be released by NTA during the correction window. So I hope this information is useful to you. If you have any doubts, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.